Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Profitec Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a little bit of work as we had to replace the water tank sensor. This sensor, it is not easy to reach as you basically need to disassemble the whole machine, partially part of the water tank assembly and some parts of that are attached to the water tank and some parts of the case. So yeah, we had to really disassemble a lot of the machine just to replace this water tank sensor. This water tank sensor was not working. The magnet was definitely working. We still have the original magnet of the machine, and as you can see, the PID is on, and the machine is detecting water. Previously, this machine was not detecting any water. The tank sensor, we tried to fool it and try to get it to work. We didn't get it to work, so we had to replace it. After we replaced it, the PID was lighting up. Before, it was not lighting up because the machine was just not detecting any water. One of the good things that these machines have is a safety feature. If they do not detect any water, basically you will not have any, this PID will not light up and you will not be able to use the pump or any functions of the machine because the machine is trying to protect itself from overheating or from trying to run the heating element with no water. So for this machine, like I said, we just replaced that. We also replaced the water pump, as once we had the water tank sensor running, the water flow coming out from the group head was not very good, as well as it was taking its time to refill and it was just not pressurizing the way it's supposed to. Unfortunately, we do not have a portafilter for this machine, so we will not be able to pull out a shot. We don't have a basket that actually fits this beautiful machine, so we will just kind of have to just run the hot water just like that. As you can see, the brew group is definitely pushing water the way it's supposed to. Nice steady stream coming out from the group head. You want to see those lines coming out at all times, and you can see that the temperature as well is optimal to 200 degrees. And also we're going to be testing the steamer. As you can see, pretty hot, nice steam coming out from the boiler. Pressure of the boiler is around 1.1 bars, which is excellent for these machines. Nice steady set of steam, and of course hot water having an amazing pressure and working the way it's intended. So there you have it, Profitec working once again, detecting the water, heating up the way it's supposed to. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.